play some background music. Boom, boom, boom. Wow, whoa. Woo. Check this out. Ooh, this is some seafood soup. Good morning, people. This is our second day here in Pattaya. Probably our last day. We leave tomorrow, but right now we're gonna go out more. We are not done yet, okay? We want to go out as much as we can. So it's 10:30 right now. All right, we went inside the 7-Eleven again to get the drinks, and guess where we are at? We are here at the beach. This is the bigger one, not the one we visited yesterday. This is like about 20 minutes away from our hotel. So let's cross the road.
We can always stay a little longer. We don't have a plan. Just let me live a little younger than I really am. We've got nothing here to save us.
Later video din ang lagawa. Well, so beautiful, so relaxing to be here. I expected to be really hot. It is hot, but also very windy, so which is a plus point. But check this out, guys. No, it's okay. We are good. One after another, people coming, giving us a booklet where we can pick what the activities that we wanted to do. But I don't think we have enough finance to cover all that, so we'll see what we can do. To, kilo suru na. Naguro. Sub skill dikai diba je. We'll go down there and show all our skills what we have today. All right, guess what we're gonna do now? We're gonna go for a boating now, okay? All right, the price we pay is about 1600. They asked 2000, 3000 nah. But then we negotiate and 1600. We negotiate from 3000 to 1600, so not bad, eh? So that's our boat, I think. Yeah, that one. Let's go. The water is very dirty. All right, now I'm vlogging from my GoPro, okay? So sometimes the GoPro, the sound quality may not be good. We also bought our swimming, our suit. Like I'm wearing this from inside, that is the swimming suit, and also wearing my swimming pant here. But looking the water and the heat, I am losing my interest for swimming, but I still want to do the boating, so we are going here. Woo! This is gonna be fun. Wow, you guys hear the backfire? Woo! All right, here we go. So he's taking us, he's our pilot for today. Half an hour, okay? Not for a whole day, for half an hour we pay 1600. Wow, I love the sound. I love that sound. Look at that. It's like you're riding some super bike, super car, no? The backfire.
Nothing can stop us. We are wanderers, nothing can stop us. We are wanderers, nothing can stop us. We are wanderers, nothing can stop us.
It will be more fun if you come with a group.
At least 5.
Yeah, at least 5 people, Then you all can contribute money, bring some drinks here, But since 2 of us, still fun. But if you're traveling as a group, woo, that was a good bounce. Yeah, if you're traveling a group, something like this, you can always play some background music. Boom, boom, boom. Wow, whoa. Woo. I'm so glad we came to Pattaya. Otherwise, at first choice was to stay in Bangkok the whole time after Khon Kaen, but we decided to come for 2 days here in Pattaya. See, if we don't come here, we're gonna miss all this. Good decision. And that was really fun, okay? Really fun. Okay. So we got some treasure here, the awesome treasure. Yeah, so now the water level is down. When we first came, it was up there. Now it went down here. They said after 2 or 3 hours, the level may come up again. But it was really fun. It was a good experience. Looks very yummy. This is our lunch for today. Thailand, thank you so much for making all this such a good food. So, yummy.
Eating without chili is not nice.
Everywhere chili is important. Makai di situ.
We are wanderers, nothing can stop us. We are wanderers, nothing can stop us. We are wanderers, nothing can stop us.
Woo! You guys want to see this? All these super bikes for rental here. I wish I have more time, no? If I'm staying here for another 2-3 days, I will love to rent all these super bikes. Here. This is Honda, this is Kawasaki. That's Kawasaki G900. And I'm not sure what are those. Harley maybe? It will be so cool, no? Because we don't have enough time not to stay here.
We are wanderers, nothing can stop us. We are wanderers, nothing can stop us. We are wanderers, we are wanderers, we are wanderers, we are wanderers. We're wanderers. Just wanderers.
There is one more thing we wanted to do. Without doing this, we are not going back. And guess what? Swim in the pool. Paisa diya hai na. Tura basul to karna parega. We have paid money, so have to grab all the chance. Well, we plan to go and swim on the sea, but looking at the water, no, we don't want to. So this is the best place. I don't know how deep this is, but this is what we are waiting for. Let's just jump in. Chalo, let's take this glass. Oh, too bright. Maza lele, maza. Oh. So yeah, like I said, we actually, our plan was to go and swim there on the sea, you know, on the beach side, but the water is not that clean. We just took a boat ride and then walk around on the side. That's all. But we know that we have one more place here, so this is it. जिंदगी है तो ऐसा मजा ही मजा. Woo! This is so fun. And by the way, this swimming pool is on the 6th floor, nah? Yeah, it's on the 6th floor. And our building, our room is this is one up right up there. And yeah, this is the hotel, the Airbnb that we are staying. It's about till 32 floor. I thought it was only 21, but still up to 32 floor. And we are staying in the 9th floor. And on the 6th floor, the other side, this is the pool, and there is also a gym. Oh, maza. So as we continue to swim and enjoy our moment here, I think it's also a time for me to end this vlog here. So keep loving, keep supporting. More videos are coming, okay? Do follow us in Instagram. Why I keep mentioning about our Instagram towards the end region, so that you guys know the update before YouTube. Keep loving, keep supporting. More videos are coming, okay? So signing off from Jerry and Emma here. Bye.